screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. So today's topic is molecular orbital theory. Write down complete definition here, complete abbreviation of this. It's a molecular orbital theory. According to this model theory, atomic orbitals of the combining elements combine to form molecular orbitals. I hope you now understand what is the meaning of atomic orbitals, right? Prachi Jain, what is atomic orbital?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Prachi, what is atomic orbital?
Sir, sir, in atoms shell, when in shell there are many orbitals.
I'm not getting what is orbital. You say in atom there are some orbital, but what is the meaning of the word orbital? Harkomal? Harkomal, what is the Rumanpreet? Anyone? Devansh? Devansh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is the atomic orbital?
Don't know, sir.
Good Simranjeet Singh?
So the places where the electrons are found in an atom.
Okay, it's a three-dimensional space where probability of finding electron is maximum. That is called as the orbital. Okay, how many types of orbitals are there? Shaurya? What are their names?
Sir, KLMN are the four orbitals.
No, I'm not talking about the orbits. K element are the orbits. I'm talking about the orbitals.
Sir, S orbital, P
Yeah,
orbital, D
good,
orbital.
good. SPDF, right? And what is the shape of the S?
Spherical.
Yeah. Shape of P?
Dumbbell shape.
Dumbbell, good. Shape of D?
Sir, a kind of double dumbbell.
Double, yeah. So the first postulate is atomic orbital combine to form molecular orbital. Second postulate, if n number of atomic orbital combine, they will form n number of molecular orbitals. Half of them are bonding molecular orbital and half of them are anti-bonding molecular orbital. Half of them are anti-bonding molecular orbital. If n number of atomic orbital combine, they form n number of molecular orbitals. Now, question arises here: how do the atomic orbital combine to form molecular orbital? So write down: atomic orbitals combine to form molecular orbital by LCAO method. This LCAO stand for, write down, linear combination of atomic orbitals. linear combination of atomic orbitals. And this is based upon the wave nature of electron. You know that we have done the de Broglie equation in structure of atom, lambda is equal to h upon mv. That is, electron has a dual nature. It can be, it has a particle nature as well as wave nature. It is a dual nature. So this depends upon that dual nature, particularly upon the wave nature of electron. Now, how do they combine? Let's go for that. Atom A.
So,
Yes, please. Yes, please.
sir, according to the theory, n number of orbitals combine to form n number of molecular orbitals.
Yeah.
Half of them are bonding and rest are
Anti-bonding. Anti-bonding, sorry. Oh, I forgot the anti-bonding
okay,
molecular
sir.
orbital. So if an atom A electron is this, crust, trough, the electron is moving in the form of wave. And atom B has this wave. Atom A has a wave function psi A. Amplitude is psi A. Amplitude is psi B here. When these atomic orbitals now combine, they combine linearly and the wave function increases like this. It means their wave function get added here. Psi molecular orbital is equal to now psi A plus psi B. Psi molecular orbital is equal to psi A plus psi B. Their wave functions are linearly added. Their psi molecular orbital is equal to now psi A plus psi B. Psi molecular orbital is equal to psi A plus psi B. Their wave functions are added linearly. We call it superimposition of electron wave. Superimposition of electron wave. It means this is the psi A, this is the psi B. Their waves are combining in such a way that the crust combines the crust and trough combines the trough. If crust to the crust and trough with trough combination takes place, it leads to the formation of a molecular orbital psi A plus psi B. Their waves are linearly adding with each other. But in the structure of atom, we studied that a psi does not have any physical meaning. It does not tell anything about the physical aspect of the bonding. And we also studied that if you make their square, it tells you about the probability of finding electron around the atom. So if I make a square here, that will be equal to psi A plus psi B whole square. And now this is equal to psi square A plus psi square B plus 2 psi A psi B. This summation tells us that between the two nuclei, between the two combining nuclei, there is a electron density whose value is this much, pi psi square A plus psi square B plus 2 psi psi B. Here we have an electron cloud that comes in between the two nuclei, and these nuclei will now be attracting with with the electron cloud, and the two atoms are now bonded, and this leads to formation of a bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital. The two atoms are now bonded. The two nuclei are having a shielding of the electron cloud. The nuclei will not repel each other. So I can say here the nuclei are shielded from each other. The two nuclei are shielded from each other. There is a electron cloud in between the two nuclei. They are going to attract each other. This forms bonding molecular orbital. Just a minute, please. Okay, by the time it opens. Yes, student, be ready for your attendance now. Anupjit,
Present, sir.
Devansh Garg,
Present, sir.
Dalpreet,
Present, sir.
Gurkirat Kaur,
Present, sir.
Guleenjeet Kaur, Guleenjeet Kaur, Gursimran Singh, Gursimranjeet Singh, Harjashanpreet Kaur,
सर
Harjashanpreet
Present,
Kaur,
sir.
गुरसिमरनजीत प्रेजेंट। सर गुरसिमरनजीत प्रेजेंट। सर मुझे लगा आप पहले वाले का पूछ रहे हो। सर
Present.
गुरसिमरनजीत प्रेजेंट।
Gursimranjeet Singh present. Okay. And what about Gursimran Singh? Okay. Harjashanpreet Kaur,
Present.
Harshit Jain,
Present, sir.
Sir, Komal present. You skipped my name.
स्किप्ट नहीं बच्चे, आपने आंसर नहीं दिया. हर्षित जैन,
Sir, I didn't hear your voice.
हर्षित जैन,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
हरसिमरनदीप कौर,
Present, sir.
जसप्रीत सिंह,
Present, sir.
लव वशिष्ठ शर्मा, लव वशिष्ठ शर्मा,
Present, sir.
मनरीत
Present,
कौर,
sir.
मनरीत कौर,
Present, sir.
नंदनी अशोक शर्मा,
Present, sir.
परनीत कौर,
Present, sir.
पवनदीप कौर,
Present, sir.
पवनी,
Present, sir.
प्राची जैन,
Present, sir.
राघव गोयल, रूबन प्रीत, रूबन,
Present, sir.
शौर्यत अली,
Present, sir.
जशनप्रीत कौर,
Present, sir.
धर्मवीर, धर्मवीर, अटेंडेंस में इतना टाइम नहीं लगाना, आपका आंसर लेट आ रहा है और मेरे 5 मिनट वेस्ट होते हैं. It's a sheer wastage of time. Taking attendance is a wastage of time, but it is official necessity only. So मेरे बोलने से instantly आंसर आना चाहिए, right? Otherwise that is a wastage of the chemistry time. And these 40 minutes are only for chemistry, not for the attendance. Okay. So we have done how to make the bonding molecular orbital. Now if atom A has a wave function psi A and atom B has a wave function psi B. Right. And atom B, this time I am changing it something. What is that change we have is this time crust with a trough and a trough with a crust. You can see crust with a trough and trough with a crust. Psi A and this is psi B. If they combine now, that will be leading to degeneracy of the electron wave. The electron wave will get degenerated over here. And this psi molecular orbital will be formed by the psi A minus psi B. Will be formed by psi A minus psi B. The wave functions are now getting subtracted from each other. Psi molecular orbital is equal to psi A minus psi B. So psi molecular orbital is equal to now psi A minus psi B, or we can say psi square, and this is psi square here. So psi square A plus psi square B minus 2 psi A psi B. This minus sign indicates that electron cloud is less in between the electron cloud, between the two nuclei. How much less? 4 psi psi B. There in the bonding we have a 4 plus 2 psi psi B, right? In the bonding we have a plus 2 psi psi B, and here we have 4 psi psi B. It means the electron cloud is less by 4 psi psi B. So electron density is less over here. And due to this less electron density, the two nuclei are repelling each other. These two nuclei are shielded from each other. They're de-shielded from each other. They're not shielded. So there will be some repulsion between the two. And that is why this is forming an anti-bonding molecular orbital. Anti-bonding molecular orbital. Note it down.
Done, sir.
Sir, can you please repeat the equation part again?
What we had done is, first of all, why we are subtracting it. Understand this. Because the crust with a trough and a trough with the crust combination going on. Right. So psi MO is equal to psi A minus psi B. Squaring both the side, I get a psi molecular orbital theory here. So it is psi square A plus psi square B minus 2 psi B from the formula. But if we compare it with the bonding molecular orbital where we have plus 2 psi B and here we have minus 2 psi B, it means the electron density is less over here by 4 psi B. And due to this, there is a less electron density between the two nuclei, and these two nuclei are de-shielded from each other. There is a repulsion between the two, and that forms an anti-bonding molecular orbital. That forms a bonding molecular orbital, anti-bonding molecular orbital.
Okay, sir.
Right? So today I had discussed about bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital. Tomorrow there will be a test. Roughly 20 or 25 multiple choice question will be there. I will post it at the class time only, and you have to submit it before 11, before this time, like before this 10 o'clock, right?
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay,
So
sir.
tomorrow will be test day. No class from my side, but only posting. I may not start the Zoom meeting also. I will start it. I'll send it the test in the class group. Right? In a class group is
Okay,
class
sir.
group, right?
Okay, sir.
Science plus 1 2022, that one. Or I may send it on the Ministry of Education also. Anyways, both ways, right? Okay then. I'm ending session now.
Okay,
See
sir.
you on now on Monday.